What up, YouTube? Today is a cold day, but I'm about to get my windows tinted. So to make it a little cheaper on me, cause it's around Christmas time, everyone's broke and stuff, I'm taking the tint off. As you can see, I took this off. I need to take this one off. This one's probably gonna take a second to take off. Now I'm taking the passenger side off right here. Just using a heat gun and my razor blade just to get the corners. But after you get the razor blade, just kind of use the heat gun like it's not coming off as good as it should without the heat gun. So I'm gonna heat it up a little more. And yeah, we're gonna take this off, and then I'll probably take this one off next, and then start doing this corner right here, and this one too. So okay, so I finally took off the tint, and dude, it went the smoothest. It was the easiest job I've ever done with tint. As you can see, here's the normal tint. Here's clear. Also have this cleared out. This window, this one, and this one. I'm gonna get it 5% tint all around. I'm still thinking if I should get 5% up front, but I'm not too sure. Okay, so I got the tint off the car. Now it's gonna be a kind of random stuff I'm doing today, because now I'm gonna try and fix something on this Scion. Like buy a new battery, because the battery is dead. Let's see. So got the hood open. Pretty much this is my girlfriend's Scion. We've been just trying to get it street legal. We already got insurance. Waiting on the tires to arrive so I can go get them installed at one of our local places I go to. And yeah, it's having a check engine light for the EGR solenoid that I need to replace, which is going to be over here somewhere by the airbox. I'm thinking it's going to be this thing right here. So at first glance, take this connector off. What else do I take off? Need probably, if I can take this little harness off, I'm gonna need to take this off. Need to take this off. And I think just there's two of these that recirculate, I guess, gases or fumes from them. So we'll get that. Okay, so I took one clamp off right here. Got this hose off. Now there's gonna be a clamp down. Just one more clamp down here. I don't know if you can see it. You can't really see it, but there's a clamp right here. Take off the clamp and take off this hose as well. Well, I did replace it, you guys. I got the hose on the bottom, the hose that goes to the side, got everything back. Got the sensor on. The battery's dead, so I'm gonna have to recharge that. And yeah, we're done with that one. Having problems with my car because usually the radio just randomly turns off when it wants to. So I'm gonna check all the connections on here, and everything is perfectly on there. So I can try and see if it's the terminals, but I doubt it. This is in there. Okay, so the terminals were fine. There's some acid on them. Took that off. One of these rubber hoses to my power steering to the canister down there is like getting gunked up with the power steering fluid, so I'm gonna have to replace that soon to keep everything mint. I don't want anything leaking at all, like it's supposed to, because every car I've had always like an oil leak from the engine cover, the valve cover, or like the oil pan or whatever. So I'm trying to keep everything pristine. Everything else looks alright. I had to put some coolant, but we're all good, set to go. now we got the car going. Still idling sort of low, but it's not like shaking too bad. I think we're good. I'm just gonna have to drive it for a few miles, see if the engine light comes off or on.
They won't like that. Kill they ass with success, they won't like that. Kill they ass with success, they won't like that.
Almost home. It was about like a 40 minute drive to get my windows tinted, and about to get a beer, chill at home, clean up and stuff. Today has been a long day. Taking you guys with me. It's kind of like more of a vlog type-ish video. It's kind of all over the place today. But yeah, once I get home, I'm gonna show you that window tint. Dude, it looks freaking awesome. Okay, well you guys, I'm at home. Finally, I'm tired, bro. It was a long drive, long adventure, I would say. And dude, I'm excited. Look at the tint. See, now they're black. Can't see nothing but my face. You did a pretty good job. Literally can't see nothing. You can see a little bit, but down here, it's pretty black. It's pretty dark. I don't know how I'm gonna see at night. What you see, it's just like handprints and it's dirty. Definitely, if see the back, I need to wash my car. Probably wash it tonight, maybe, probably on Tuesday. Okay guys, well hopefully you guys liked the video. It's kind of all over the place today, so sorry about that. And I'll see you guys until next time. And I got some few more modifications coming to the Speed 3. They're not anything like huge, but they're good modifications. I'm still excited for them to install them and stuff. I'll just give you one hint, and it is some supporting mods to get to my 400 wheel horsepower goal. And that's all I'm gonna say. And to that, I'll see you guys till next time. Peace.